Everybody, welcome to November 1st. Marion the Barbarian here. We are a day ahead in Ken's mind. Sunday is the beginning of the week, but this is hashtag tribute week. I wasn't going to do a tribute shade today. I picked out what I wanted to use. I got my Frank Misa edge back on the gold dollar that Raza sent me. I stropped it. Hair popping good, actually. Like, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a good shade. And Barbaric. I've had this since before I moved out of the ex's house, my old house, however you want to phrase that stupid shit. And you can see where I scooped it out. Tried not to hit too much of the label. But purely Skinful Barbearic, Bear Tallow. Now guys, as for the scent on this, I don't know that it's me. I got it because it says Barbaric. Barbarian. Come on guys. So anyways, so it says richly ripened blackberries are intertwined with well-aged, sorry, it's white lettering over it was hard to read, with well-aged southern bourbon, cherry tobacco, cedarwood, patchouli, redwood, and oak moss on a base of smoked vanilla, amber, and musk. I mean, I guess I smell the blackberries, but to me, that bourbon's just strong, and I'm not a bourbon guy. It almost gives off a leather scent. Like, if I was going to compare this to anything, anybody out there, tell me if I'm wrong. It smells a little like Grand and Union by Oleo to me. Huh. I had an ingrown up here, and I messed with it before the filming. So we got blood already, and I haven't even put a razor to my face. So, anyways, guys, this is going to be a DK tribute shave because we got a Frank edge, and you know Frank is DK's boy. Purely Skinful. It's such a DK shave that when I said, hey guys, this is going to be my shave of the day. Let's pause this real quick, and I'm going to see if I can stop this from bleeding so I stop playing with it. Alright, hopefully that stops it. So, and I wanted to use this brush. This is my third time to lather with it. I've tried to clean it because this brush did come in with the Badger Funk, okay? And I don't get a lot of Badger Funk anymore when I get brushes in, but this one, it's not a high density brush, and I think it's lightly gelled. This is my El Druida that I was inspired to buy because Jack gifted one from Virtual Groom Room to DK. Sorry, look and seeing if I'm losing any more, if there's like a slight straggler sticking up. But no, we're looking good. But I had this one custom made. It's African Blackwood with briar, green tinctured. There's his little logo that he likes to put in all of his stuff. It may not be in the bottom, sometimes it's in the side, but really like this. This is a good deal, guys. From Spain to my door, this was a very good deal. I believe this is just a silver tip. I could be wrong. Didn't discuss. Like, I'll tell you how this job went down. I said, hey man, are you able to make a brush like this? And I showed them DKs, but maybe, you know, green and like kind of black textured at the top. And he goes, like this? And I said, yeah. He said, I'll do like green tinctured briarwood and African Blackwood at the top, and you know, that'll be it. He told me price. I said, cool. I paid him. Next thing I know, he posted on Instagram with me tagged in it, showing the brush. And then I said, dude, I just saw the brush. That's awesome. Like, what's up? You know, like, what are we going to do? What do we need? And he's like, I need your address. It's done. And he shipped it out to me. It like wasn't a problem, guys. Sorry I talked so long. 4 minutes in, no lather on the face. And it's a straight razor shave, which I'm slow at. But we're going to put it on. And yes, it does have a Badger Funk. So I don't have my brush cleaning soap from PAA with me. And anyways, I don't have the brush cleaning soap, you know, like everybody uses from PAA with me. So that's the old house. So I was using my PAA Son of Honeysuckle bar soap to clean it. Didn't work the first time. Didn't like it. So, and I've lost 8 hairs out of this brush since I got it in. Just, we're going to be honest and talk about it because I'm one of those people that worry about that shit and don't like it. But it should be okay. I'm not worried. It's not a high density brush. Where was I? Sorry, got off on a tangent, totally forgot about it. what I was saying. Oh well, shit happens. Can't believe I just blanked like that. Oh, DK. It's a smooth edge. Not gonna lie, guys, I thought it would have taken more off. In the first pass. I mean, I know it's taken it off. Like, I looked at it right now, that looks like cookies and cream. So guys, this is my second time ever with the gold dollar. It's not a bad edge. It's actually quite enjoyable. I did open up that blood again, but I knew I was when I did it. It's bigger than I've been using lately. And I came in too steep right there when I said, because I kind of felt it. Felt some aggravation, a little sharpness. But I had some nicks from the shave the other day. And it's that edging up. There we go. Just trying to get that edging up going, you know? A little snaggy there. You got a pimple there, Ken. So I tell you, so I'm going to set this down, keep the hands dry, reapply. I may need some more water. Nah, we'll just stir it up really well. So the thing is about this stuff, guys, like I kept thinking that I was about to kill it with each additional thing of water. And then I'd sit there and work it up and it just thicken up. And the way it was acting, I was just like, just doesn't seem hydrated enough to go on my face for this shave. And I just kept adding and adding and adding. Now maybe it's a little thin, but it's a good soap. And the scent's wearing off on me. It's not a go-to scent of mine, guys. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. Haven't totally decided, but we'll see. All right. I'm going to have to hit back again here. I can just see the long ones. Trying to stay light. Because I don't want the aggravation that I tend to get. Y'all hear it? Sorry guys, I'm really focusing because just by now it should be a lot closer on this pass. Not saying there's anything wrong with the edge, I'm just paying closer attention. We'll skip and jump there. Could have been a bad angle on my part. Just feel awkward today, guys. So we did have a good day with the kiddos. Today was my daughter's birthday. So we had a good time. For the few hours I had. Still, you know, just wish it would get a little closer there. It's got to be my angle or something. All right. I think I'm going to go for pickups, guys, because I just don't give a damn. All right. Get the pickups a try. So yeah, we had a good time. Did the opening of gifts. It's a really nice time. At least for that. She got some dishware stuff because my daughter likes to, you know, pretend make brownies and stuff. She doesn't cook real food. She makes brownies and cupcakes. Maybe pancakes. So got her some dishes. Got her a coffee maker and stuff like that. You know, kids' coffee maker. And we had a good time. Really good time. Deciding how I want to go. But yeah, really good time. So, nice. That was a really good nice, guys. So much hair came off right there. Time to switch hands. So it's looking like, guys, Steve Walker and I are going to make a meetup. Kids have a play date for next weekend, Sunday. And see, I work Saturdays, guys. Feeling good. Sorry, kind of got caught up into it. If you noticed, it got going a little easier. Very nice. I'm not going to mess with it too much because I've had some aggravation. Irritation. So I don't need to mess with it too much in that area. I'll wipe it fully clean. Just wiped it across the shirt. No water in the hinge pins. We did a good job, guys. Did a real good job today. I'm gonna pause, clean up, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Cleaned it all up, cleaned up the face. Still got a little blood. Didn't use any alum. Got a little irritation down here, it looks like. A little redness. Looks like I opened something up right here that was a pimple. Other than that, we got a pretty smooth shave. I wouldn't say it's BBS. I tried some J-hooking down here and it worked out pretty well in my opinion. It was still looking dark during the shave, but it's a couple of minutes of going on. It looks like maybe, I think right here it looks like there's a lot of dark, but I'm not feeling anything. Like it looks it, but I'm just a little there. Anyways, it's a really good shave, really close. So let's go rundown. I am digging my Thirsty Badger bowl, guys. It's really comfortable. I like it. He does another drop. I highly recommend somebody go and pick one up if you're good at not breaking things. So I'm not normally, but we're going to see how it goes. I've had it for like a month now, so we'll keep going. Guys, still stinks. Stinky ass badger knot. But it's beautiful. And as time goes on, it'll clean up. And like I said, guys, I think this is just a silver tip. I could be wrong. I mean, I know it's 2-band. Are silver tips 2-band? I don't think they are. I think they're 3. So it does look treated, in my opinion. And it's slightly jelly, but if it's jelly, it's not too jelly. So I do enjoy this knot. It's quite nice, other than the stench, but it will go away. And guess what? Not turning my lather green. Very happy about that. Barbaric. Just, I don't know, guys. The blackberries and cherry tobacco came out stronger when I just put it to my nose, and I hadn't really been picking those up the entire time. So maybe it just opened up a little more to me as I've had it on my face. Oop, I may have put a little too much on the hands. I take it this does not have alcohol. It's more of a toner. This isn't a bad scent. This smells better than the soap. I wonder what the dry down will be like. It's nice though. Like, I may keep the soap for the splash. I think they're that different. At least just off the top end. Feels good. Rub it in. Yeah. You'll hear it. I didn't get BBS there. I can feel it. I need to start going that way with it. All right. So guys, great shave. Did I show all the products? Barbaric. We loved it. Sorry you're about to get like a 19-minute video. Oh, still, it was a great day with the kids. Had fun. And yeah, just good stuff all around, guys. And this is a hashtag tribute week to my boy DK. I will link DK below. And hope to see you tomorrow for another Matty Monday. I'm going to tribute a couple of people in the Matty Monday. So y'all have a good one.